Hey there, so today I'm going to be walking you through how to sign up on Canva using your mobile phone. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your app store. For those using iPhone and for those using Android, you can go to your Play Store, type in Canva, and then you see the app there. Now mine is showing open because I already have the app on my phone. So I'll just go ahead to click on open. Now it is showing this because I have an account, but that is not what we want. So I'll click on continue with another account. Now I want to use my Gmail, so I'll go with continue with Google. You can use Facebook, Apple, whichever account you want to use. So what I simply did here was just to click on the Gmail I want to use. Now you have signed into Canva, you continue. And that is it. It's as simple as that. Here you have what will you be using Canva for. We have for personal, business, student, non-profit. I go with personal, and then you would want to pick whatever you want to use Canva for, or what you want to focus on, which is social media. I picked everything actually, which is advisable, and then that is it. We are done. Now this is what the interface look like using a mobile phone. Now these are ready-made templates you can make use of. We have the flyers, Instagram posts, posters, logo, invite, document, Facebook posts, YouTube, and all of that. We have so many templates you can work with. You can also just click on the search bar there, type in whatever you're looking for. Yeah, I'll be going with carousel. So here is it. We have different template for carousel. You can choose to work with whichever you want to. At the top here, we have your designs. This is where projects you've worked on, this is where they appear. So because I don't have a personal design I've worked on, we don't have anything there. Next, we have the AI button. You can simply go in and type whatever concept or image I want. Yeah, I typed in image of a smiling baby. So it's going to generate an image of a baby smiling, and I can pick from the options I am given. So that is what the AI tool is used for. Next, I'll be explaining the different tools we have on Canva and what they are used for. So here we have home, brand, app, Canva, AI, Ask Canva. I'll be telling you what all of these are used for. The brand, we have the brand kit, which is in the pro version. You can have different logos here, different color palette. Let's say you have a brand, you can simply have everything done under here, and you can go back to it anytime, any day. That is basically what it is used for. And also you have the brand template, so you can get ideas for your template. Like I said before, it is in pro version. You would have to subscribe to premium to get it. Next, we have apps. Here we have different apps for different things you want to do. If you want to generate AI, if you have image to text, so you can simply check on any app there. Now to edit photo, we have different one here: short deck, major AI, different brand to edit whatever photo you want to use. We have different brand which you can check. And also for text styling, we have different brand you can use, different app you can use to edit your text or style them. And like I explained the cover AI already too, you can simply go in with whatever thing you want it to generate. Next, we have Ask Canva. This is more like the customer support. If you're having any issue, you can simply direct it to them. The next thing here is the trash. Whenever you delete anything, you can always go back to the trash to get them back, just like your recycle bin on your PC. Next year, we have projects. This is where all your projects, your design, whatever it is you've worked on is stored. And here we have creating. Let's say you don't want to use a template, you want to start afresh. You can simply click on whatever shape you want to. For this video, I'll be using the Instagram post size, the portrait. So this is what the interface look like, and I'll be telling you what each tool here is used for. So let's go ahead. Here we have the design. It has different templates you can use. We have different ideas that you can use. And next we have the elements where you have shape, graphics, stickers, AI generated image, you have lines, circles, squares, shape, whatever elements you want to make use of are located here. And the next thing here we have text. If you want to use any text, we have the subheading, we have different styled text here which you can make use of. It is made available for you. The next thing here is the camera roll. You can simply just go there to bring an image into your design. Next we have upload, which is where everything image from your gallery is being saved. Here is project, like I said before, where your works are being saved. And then we have the magic media. You can edit pictures here, remove the background and all of that. So that is what they are used for. We also have tools to edit your text, which is edit, your font size, your format, spacing, advanced, animations, different things you can edit your text into. So that is all about the tools in your workspace. So let's go back to the home page. And like I said before, we have so many advantages working with Canva because you get inspiration from them. There are templates that you can make use of. And so that is all on signing up on Canva and its workspace using your mobile phone. See you in my next video. Bye.